Hello community. Today I'm going to explain the basics of machine learning via this short video. We all know humans learn from past experience. You do, I definitely do. But can machines? That is basically what machine learning is. The dictionary defines it as shown on the screen. Let's not get into that and take an example instead. This is Dhruv. He likes books based on the following parameters: genre, length, language, and author. Now let us plot a graph with some sample data regarding how Dhruv likes his books. For simplicity, we will use genre and length as the parameters. Dhruv dislikes long non-fictional books, which can be plotted as shown. Dhruv likes long fictional and short non-fictional ones, plotted as seen on the screen. Based on the trends with these sample inputs, we can predict whether Dhruv will like a book or not. Let us assume two books, A and B. Book A is long fiction. It can be plotted as shown. It is easy to guess that Dhruv will like this book. Book B is a moderately long real-life story, plotted as shown. Can you guess now? Not so easy, right? This is where machine learning kicks in. We draw a region around B. As visible, it encompasses 2 dislikes and 1 like. Hence, we can conclude that he will dislike the book. Pretty cool, right? This is a simple machine learning algorithm called K nearest neighbors. Now we move on to the types of machine learning. First, we have supervised. Then we have unsupervised. And at last, we have reinforcement machine learning. Supervised learning. Supervised machine learning is a model where you can consider the learning is guided by a teacher. The data set acts as a teacher. Example input with associated outputs is inputted over and over again. This is done till our model is able to recognize a certain pattern. Once this pattern is recognized, we can input new data. And once we do that, we get our desired output. This model learns through observations and finds structure in the data. First, unlabeled data is entered. Once done enough times, the model clusters the data into new groups and can now predict clusters of new data inputs. Yay! Reinforcement learning. This model follows the concept of hit and trial, or as one could call it, a feedback mechanism. Data is inputted, which is then processed by our model. If correct, the output is displayed. Else, a feedback is sent to the model, and that is how the model learns. Machine learning has a lot of applications in the real world, some of which are going to be shown on your screen. I shall not delve into the details, keeping in mind the time limit of the video. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. At last, a big shout out to everyone who has helped me complete this video on time. Cheers.